Yeah, brethren, welcome now. I'm not here to preach, not speak the words of the Lord, but I'm here to prophesy. Vision 2022. See, me, I not be all those pastors when they prophesy bad thing enter New Year. No, it's impossible. I'm a prophet, I'm a man of God. See, let me tell you, this 2022 is a great year. Listen, the Bible in the book of Proverbs 18:21, it said, death and life are in the power of the tongue. Oh, see, according to a great month, see, death and life, the power of tongue. How pastor go look on first of year, January, you go to talk, say, na bad thing won't happen. You never know wetin God plan for the year. He say God show am. It's a lie. See, me na apostle, I dey see vision. God dey show me. I dey pray yesterday night. God show me. God call me. He said my brother. I say yes. He said my brother. I said yes. He said my brother. I said yes. I say who is calling me? He say it's me, your God Almighty. I say speak to me. God say anybody wey go send 20,000 enter my account, he go bless am. See, this video, if you don't watch it, check under the video, you go see my account number. My account number there. If you send 20k enter my account, you are okay. This 2022, this 2022 will go near your house. Praise Jesus. 2022 is your year. 2022 we make it. Send 20,000 into my account. I know the others, I know if professor if we enter New Year. So you understand? But una pastor wey dey do am, una no arrest me o, because I hear say pastors now dem dey call, dem dey carry people go court. YouTubers dey carry YouTubers go court abeg. Na money I dey look for. They no carry me go court. Abeg, I no get money to rent lawyer. I no get lawyer sef. Thank you, Baba. I don't know, una no go tell dem o. No, una no tell dem say na me talk am. No, na talk say una watch am for festival. No be apostle campaign o. Thank you.